Have you ever felt like your salary vanished into thin air? Let's solve it. Hello, money savvy pals. Today, we'll delve into the area of savvy financial decisions. You're going to learn some game-changing methods that might transform your financial situation. First, we'll look at what you should do when your salary arrives. Hint: it's not what those finance experts are telling you. Then how to develop wealth without being a Wall Street genius. And last, how to have fun with your money without feeling guilty. Stay tuned, because these 4 measures have the potential to completely transform your financial situation. Do you want to discover the first rule of money management? It's not as you think. Listen up, because this may surprise you. Forget what fancy financial influencers say about paying yourself first. Let's be honest, debts come first. Why? Nobody wants to lose their home or ruin their credit score. So, step 1, pay your expenses as soon as you get your income. We're talking about rent or mortgage, utilities, auto payments, credit cards, and all the other expenses that keep your life running smoothly. Trust me, you'll thank me later. But here's the catch: don't simply pay your bills. Have a good look at them. Are there any that can be reduced? Perhaps you can get a better deal on your cell phone plan or move to a cheaper internet provider. Every dollar you save on bills is a dollar you may put towards our future steps. Ready to put your money to work for you? Here is how. Okay, bills are paid. Now, let's speak about increasing your money. This is when we begin paying ourselves, but in a way that makes sense to regular people. Choose an amount. Any amount can be set aside for investment each month. Maybe it's $500 or $50. The trick is to start someplace. Put this money into a different account, such as a brokerage account or a high-yield savings account. This is your don't touch money. It means working hard to increase your future riches. Remember, you do not have to go large right away. Begin small, be persistent, and see your money increase over time. Let us break this down even further. When I say invest, I don't mean becoming the next Wolf of Wall Street. For the majority of us, a simple index fund that tracks the broader market is an excellent place to begin. It's like purchasing a small portion of the entire economy. And here's a professional tip. If your company matches your 401k, that is free money on the table. Always attempt to contribute enough to complete the match. It's the closest thing to free money you'll ever get. Dreaming of a new automobile or a debt-free life? Let's make it happen. Now we'll get to the exciting part, saving for your aspirations. This stage is all about your own objectives, whether they are for a new automobile, a dream trip, or paying off student loan debt. Set aside some money each month for these aims. Again, the volume is not as important as the uniformity. Even tiny sums accumulate over time. If you have high interest debt, such as credit cards, consider making it your top priority. Paying off debt is similar to guaranteeing oneself a guaranteed return on investment. Let's go deeper into the debt issue. If you have high interest debt, such as credit cards, you should prioritize paying it off. Why? Because the interest you pay is likely to be far more than any gains you would receive from investing. Here's a strategy. Make a list of all your debts, including their sums and interest rates. Pay off the highest interest rate debt first, while making minimum payments on the remainder. The avalanche approach is the most cost-effective option in the long run. Think budgeting isn't fun? Think again. This is where we dispel the myth that managing money entails living like a hermit. After you've completed steps 1 to 3, you'll have guilt-free spending money. Spend this money on things you enjoy, such as eating out, going to the movies, shopping, or doing whatever makes you happy. What is the best part? You can appreciate it without the nagging voice in your brain, since you have already fulfilled your obligations. Pro tip: if you have any money left over in this area at the end of the month, you may roll it over, invest it, or use it to pay off further debt. It's your decision. The actual secret to guilt-free spending is budgeting. I know, budgeting seems about as enjoyable as watching paint dry, but hear me out. A budget is not a constraint. Rather, it is a financial strategy. It directs your money's path rather than leaving you wondering where it went. Try this. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your after-tax income is allocated to necessities. This is step 1, 30% to wants for step 2, and 20% to savings and debt reduction for the last step. These percentages can be adjusted based on your own scenario, but they are a good starting point. I understand what some of you are thinking. This all sounds great, but I barely have enough to cover my bills. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's extra advice that might alter everything. Focus on boosting your revenue. When is the ideal time to look for a job? When you already hold a job. Update your resume, network, and keep a lookout for other chances. You'd be shocked how much a career change may impact your bottom line. Let's chat about raising your revenue. Aside from job seeking, try learning a new talent that is in great demand. Online courses, certificates, and even YouTube lessons can help you improve your talents and increase your income. And don't underestimate the value of a side hustle. In today's gig economy, there are several methods to make additional money. A side hustle, whether it's freelancing in your industry, driving for a ride-sharing service, or selling products online, may significantly increase your income. Consider this scenario. You're successfully managing your money, generating wealth for the future, and yet enjoying life today. That is the ultimate benefit of following these instructions. It's not about becoming a billionaire overnight. It's about laying a solid financial foundation that provides peace of mind and offers up new opportunities. Imagine waking up one day and finding you are no longer living paycheck to paycheck. That is the strength of the 4 stages. However, it goes beyond simply increasing your budget's flexibility. Consistently following this practice positions you for long-term financial success. You're creating an emergency fund to weather unforeseen storms. You're growing a nest egg that could one day give you the freedom to retire comfortably or even early. But the final payoff is more than simply money. It's about having peace of mind. It is about sleeping soundly at night without having to worry about debts. It means being able to say yes to chances without first checking your money account. And here's the best part. As you improve at this, as your investments increase and your obligations decrease, you'll discover that you have more and more resources to devote to the things that are actually important to you. Good financial habits provide you with possibilities, whether you want to travel the world, establish a business, or support organizations you care about. Generating money is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks along the road, and that is fine. The idea is to maintain consistency, keep learning, and never give up on your financial objectives. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about development. Begin with these 4 steps, and you'll be surprised at how rapidly your financial situation may change. Okay, Money Masters, we've covered a lot of terrain today. You now have a roadmap to financial success that includes prioritizing bills, investing, saving for objectives, paying off debt, and enjoying your hard-earned money. Remember that the goal is to make progress, not to be flawless. Every step you take, no matter how tiny, takes you in the correct path. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your main takeaway from today's video? Leave a comment below. This channel is all about learning from one another. If you found this video useful, please do me a tremendous favor and hit the like button. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and activate the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on new ways to improve your money. Thank you for watching, and remember that your financial future begins now. Let us crush it together. See you in the future video.